How to find your YouTube channel ID on mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to find your YouTube channel ID on mobile, here is what you should do. Head over to any of your preferred browser and search youtube.com. Make sure you are signed in into your account. Next up, you need to tap on this rectangle icon which is on the bottom left, then on three dots from bottom right. Now if you are in mobile mode, make sure to request for the desktop website. Then tap on Done and tap on Your Profile from the top right. Head over to the option of Settings. Once on Settings from the left side panel, tap on Advanced Settings. Tapping on Advanced Settings, you will get two options, that is your user ID and channel ID. Just tap on the copy button of channel ID and now you can find your YouTube channel ID there. So this is how you can find your channel ID using your mobile. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.